Hello everyone, welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to see about how to generate a payment request from a job or shipment in Fresa application. Initially, you need to log into the system, and after your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now open the shipment or job for which you are going to generate a payment request. If it is a current active job or shipment, then you can open it directly. After your click, you will be redirected to the respective shipment or job page. There you can find all the details regarding your job or shipment. Now click on costing. Here we have to click on generate voucher button. As we are going to generate a payment request, we have to choose the type as payment request. Now select the organization here. Now choose the address type here. After filling the details, click on next button. So in voucher details, we have to fill the details as per our requirement. If you want to add the bank details, then we can select here. After adding the bank details, click on next again. As we are going to generate a payment request for this particular charge, we have to click on the checkbox provided here. After ticking on the checkbox, click on next button. So this is the summary of the payment request we have created. If you want to edit anything, then click on back button or else click on finish button. Now the payment request has been created. Now click on voucher list. Here we can see the payment request we have created. Just click on the voucher number. After your click, you will be redirected to the payment request page. We can also change status of the payment request we have created. Just make the new status as approved and then click on save. Now the payment request has been approved. After the approval of payment request, we can see here the generate payment voucher and generate purchase invoice button. If you want to generate both, then you can click on both the buttons provided here. If we click on reports, then we can get the payment request report. Just click on the report. After your click, the payment request report will be generated. So this is how you can generate a payment request in Fresa application. Hope this video will be very helpful for you to generate a payment request. Thanks for watching.